Okay, so welcome to my game, the Fireboy and the Watergirl, for this term project. Here I'll have two different game difficulty level, easy and hard, so let's first click easy. It will automatically load a small map, which you can see there are two movable characters, the Fireboy and the Watergirl. Each character can eat their diamonds with the same color, and the characters can interact with the map physically. Like you cannot cross the wall, and once you jump, you will fall back to the ground. And also you can jump onto a slope and move along the slope and then jump and got blocked. So how I achieve this feature? You see, I use 8 anchor points around the character, and at each frame, I create a life cycle. I call it life cycle for each character, which takes in the key events like the part the player controls, move right or left and jump, and also the current status for the character physical interaction with the map. I call it collation, which means you cannot cross the walls and it will be blocked by some wall. And at each frame, this life cycle is updated, and the movement in y direction and x direction is also updated in a priority order. And also I have developed other features to make the game more interesting. For example, the water girl cannot walk into the fire pool, such as you will die. And we press N to reload this map. So the winning condition for this game is once your two characters both reach their doors at the same time. Yeah. So you win. And I have a score for recording how many diamonds have you got along the way to the X door. Okay, so now let's see the harder map. In harder map, okay, it's a big map, and it will contain more interesting features such as buttons, and I will show you a little bit about the buttons. This part works the same with the easy one because they share the same physics rules. And the Fireboy can only work in fire. And then once the Fireboy reaches the red button, this pool becomes water. And then the water girl can come across this long pool, which it cannot be jumped through at the initial state. And there are more interesting features on the upper level, such as once you touch it, it will create an up air, and the characters can get to higher places than the normal jump. And you will have to think out how to get more diamonds along the way to the exit door. So that's basically the total game. Thank you.